Hi everyone, this is Dr. Srikanth, Assistant Professor of Data Science Department. In this session, I am going to cover a LeetCode problem, missing number in the competitive programming. So the question number 268, missing number. The question which is given is, given an array nums containing n distinct numbers, in the range 0 to n. Return only number in the range that is missing from the array. So the question which is given is, there are array of numbers which contains n distinct numbers, n different numbers are given in the range 0 to n. We need to return only the number in the range that is missing from the array. Example, if let us consider here example 1, nums array which is equals to 301. Here we are having 3 numbers in the array. So the range is from 0 to 3. Between 0 to 3, we need to find what is the number which is not available. Here between 0 to 3, 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is not there. So our output is 2. Our output is, here explanation is, here n is equals to 3 since there are 3 numbers. So all numbers are in the range of 0, 3. All numbers in the range of 0, 3. 2 is the missing number in the range since it does not appear in nums. And next example, let us consider. Here we are having the numbers 9, 6, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 0 and 1. And our output should be 8 because between 0 to 9, what is the element missing here? Only the number 8. So this is the way we can find which number is missing from the array. We can directly find by seeing that array. We can say that that number is missing. But how we can do in the coding? So here the array of numbers which are given 0 to n. Between the 0 to n, we need to find which number is missing. We need to find. How we can find? So for that, let us take the example 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we are taking, this is our array 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By seeing this, we can say that the number which is missing is 4. But how can we find in the coding? So here between 0 to 9, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the elements are between 0 to 9 we need to consider. Between 0 to 9, all the elements should be present. So for that, we are taking the sum of elements from 0 to 9. How to calculate the sum of elements from 0 to 9? Sum of elements from 0 to 9 is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. What is n? 9. 9 into n plus 1, 10 by 2, which is equals to 45, Now this is the sum of n natural elements. Now we need to find the array elements sum. Array elements sum. So for that we are taking 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So here, which is equals to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 9, 41. So this is the sum of the array elements. So how to find the element missing is, we are going to find the sum of n natural elements and sum of array elements. Sum of array elements. Sum of array elements. So n natural elements sum minus sum of array elements will give us the missing number. So sum of n natural numbers is 45 minus 41, which is equals to 4. This is our output. This is what we are going to do in our program. First we are going to calculate the sum of n natural elements, and after getting the sum of n natural numbers, we are going to add the elements in the array, and after adding the elements in the array, we are going to take sum of n natural elements minus sum of array elements. That gives us the element which is missing, the number which is missing. Okay, this is the way we need to proceed. And how to find, that is how to write the code for this. How to write the code for this. So first we are going to take here, we are going to initialize n is equals to length of nums. Initialize n is equals to length of nums. First I am giving the pseudo code, then after I will provide you the actual code for this program in Java. Okay, so initialize n is equals to length of nums. So we are going to calculate the length of the array. Okay, int, and then we are going to set the expected sum. We are going to set the expected sum, that is the n natural numbers sum. Okay, 0 to n numbers sum as n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. That is, we are calculating the sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers, that we are taking it as expected sum. That we are considering it as expected sum. And next we are making the actual sum is equals to 0. This is nothing but array elements sum. Array sum. Array elements sum. And how to go with array elements sum? We need to go with the for loop. We need to go with for loop. We need to keep on adding each and every element to the actual sum. We need to go on adding the array element to the actual sum until the last number is reached. And for each number in nums, that is, we are taking all the numbers in the nums array. We are taking all the numbers in the nums array. For each number in nums array, what we are going to do? We are going to write actual sum is equals to actual sum plus number. That is, this is the num variable we have given. For each number in nums, we are taking actual sum is equals to actual sum plus number. Actual sum plus num. That is, we are going to keep on adding this number to the actual sum. And then after we are going to find the missing number. Missing number is equals to expected sum minus actual sum. Expected sum minus actual sum, and finally we need to return the missing number. In the question it is asked, we need to return what is the missing number. So we need to return that missing number. And here initialize n is equals to length of nums. So first step is we need to take the n value as length of the array, and then we are going to take it as expected sum is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but our sum of n natural numbers, and set actual sum is equals to 0, that is the array sum we are going to calculate. For that we are taking actual sum is equals to 0, and for adding all the elements in the array we need to use the loop, and the loop which we are using here is for loop. For each element we are taking, this is here we are taking for each element, because we need to add each and every element to the actual sum. So for that we are taking for each number in nums, where actual sum is equals to actual sum plus number, and missing number is equals to expected sum minus actual sum, and finally we are going to return the missing number. And now we will go with the actual code in Java for this particular program. And first, initialization of n. Int n is equals to nums dot length. We are initializing int n is equals to nums dot length. That is, we are calculating the array length of the array. And now we are taking another variable int expected sum is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Expected sum is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is our expected sum. And then the next one is int actual sum. Actual sum is equals to 0. Initially here we are going on adding the elements. So initially we are going to take 0. If we are going to keep on multiplying, then we have to take it as 1. When we are going to add the numbers, we have to take it as 0. And for int number in nums, here this is the syntax for each number, for whatever the variable, that is for int number, because here we are declaring the num as integer in nums. For each number in nums array, what we need to do? We need to calculate the actual sum. Actual sum is equals to actual sum plus number. Actual sum plus is equals to number. This is nothing but actual sum this is nothing but actual sum is equals to actual sum plus number. And what we need to do next? We need to close our for loop and we need to calculate the missing number. What is the missing number after calculation of expected sum and actual sum? It is the difference between expected sum and actual sum is the missing number. So here we are going to return expected sum minus actual sum. We are going to return expected sum minus actual sum. And this is the question in the LeetCode, question number 268. Now we are going the same type of number question is there in Geeks for Geeks also. So for that only a small change is needed. Let us see what is given in the question and what are the changes we need to make for that Geeks for Geeks question also. Here the question name is missing in array. Question name is missing in array. And you are given an array of size n minus 1 that contains distinct integers in the range from 1 to n. Here in the LeetCode question, you are given an array of size n. Here an array of size n minus 1. Here 0 is not included in this array. Okay, size of n minus 1 that contains distinct integers in the range from 1 to n. You can see the difference. In the LeetCode question, the range is given 0 to n, whereas here it is given 1 to n. 0 is not included. And this array represents a permutation of the integers from 1 to n with one element missing. This array is going to represent the numbers from 1 to n with one element missing. Your task is to identify and return the missing element. Your task is to identify and return the missing element. And here let us take the same type of examples, but here 0 is not included. 1, 2, 3, 5. So between 1 and 5, what is the number missing? The 4. Between 1 and 5, the number which is missing is 4. And in the same way, another example, 8, 2, 4, 5, 3, 7, 1. Between 1 to 8, the number missing is 6. 6 is the number which is missing. Okay, here also same method we need to follow, but only a small change we need to take. Here n value we have taken nums dot length. Nums dot length in the LeetCode, whereas here we have to take array dot length plus 1 because n minus 1 numbers are given, whereas in the LeetCode it is given n numbers, but here n minus 1 numbers are given, so we have to take n is equals to array dot length plus 1. That we need to change. Here I am directly going with the Java code class solution, and int missing number of int array. Int of array, and here we are taking int n is equals to array dot length plus 1. We are taking array dot length plus 1, and then here we are taking, because in Geeks for Geeks there is some large numbers also. In order to avoid the range of integer, we need to take this as long. Long expected sum is equals to long of n into n plus 1 by 2, and long actual sum is equals to 0. The same method, actual sum is equals to actual sum plus number, and finally we are going to return integer. We need to return only integer. We are converting the long value into integer, expected sum minus actual sum. Okay, here why we are taking long is, in the Geeks for Geeks some test cases are not getting passed with the integer, so it is showing that there is a error in the range of integer. So for that we are taking the long, and finally we are returning integer expected sum minus actual sum. This is the way we can find the missing element in the array. In this session I have discussed missing number in the array in LeetCode and Geeks for Geeks. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.